Ensaios junto a Rosa and Agnes Abea, Yotabe. The two of them have been brilliant, and Agnes, the physical scouting is known for long distance and short distance races. But surely, don't do this. It's a matter who will take first and who will come second. And Georgia seems to be a champion this year. Both of them guaranteed a spot in Everett. Surely nothing, not just because can happen. 15 meters to listen the route. She's going to hold her brothers. Everett awaits. Is it enough for East Africa? That is. Match with the starting line. Mr. Man, for guys, the 12 meters for boys. Finally, we have 3,000 meters, 3 meters.
Silence for the start.
Leading and is being chased by Leonard. Leonard has overtaken Vincent, so it's coming into this mix even as they come towards that last 400 meters. So it's about 500 meters to go. Oh yes, the pack is still on. Oh yes, let us see who will break away. Is there breakaway speed? But it seems that Leonard seems to have that extra bit of gas in him. Can he hold on? Leonard holding on, he's dropped on onto second place, and it's now Vincent on the charge. Vincent leading, Leonard still in second place. His big chest, ferocious Leonard, but Vincent is hanging on. Who will take this to Eldoret? Vincent keeping this strong, keeping this going. But wait a minute, look at that run from Samuel.
Getting back here on the road.
Over is a charge from the guy in green, Joseph. It's now Joseph and a Vincent affair. Joseph and a Vincent affair. Who will take this heat? He's still out here. But the guy in black is communicating. Follow the smoker. Whoa. I don't know what is what here. What a race. What a race. Did Valencia steal that at the last minute? Let me consult the commissar.